Step 1. Remove the triggers. Your brain reacts to what it sees. If your phone is full of temptation, your mind will always fight a losing battle. Clean your environment, because discipline is easier when temptation is farther away. Step 2. Train your body. Lust grows strongest inside an idle body. Lift weights, run, train hard. When your body is exhausted, your mind becomes calmer. Energy needs direction. Give it one. Step 3. Master your attention. Lust hijacks your focus. The moment an urge appears, redirect your mind immediately. Stand up, move, change environments. Attention is a muscle, and every redirection makes it stronger. Step 4. Fix your sleep. Late nights create weak mornings. Fatigue lowers willpower. When you're tired, discipline disappears. Protect your sleep like it protects your mind. Step 5. Replace the habit. You cannot simply remove lust. You must replace it. Read, build something, work toward a goal. Because empty time always finds a destructive habit.